Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. On this episode, we're doing tri-tip. Let's fire up the Traeger. So here we got a tri-tip roast, boneless, USDA choice. Comes with 3 pieces. That was pretty for $11.12. Oh, one side of the knife. For this, we're just gonna be simple. We're just gonna go with black pepper and salt. That's it. Man, that's a nice chuck style tri-tip right there. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we'll put a little bit of olive oil, just a dab of olive oil. If I do it like this, big old bottle, and bam, that's a lot easier. On the sides, get some more. This olive oil will make it hold the salt and the pepper. All right, now we are ready to put the salt. It's a nice thick steak, so I'll make sure you get enough salt in there. Enough pepper. And this one. This side. Flip them and repeat the process. A lot of people like to use kosher salt, sea salt. I don't have that. I just have salt. And add some pepper. Make sure you got some on the side. Use the same one you got. On the side, look at that. And that's good for that. Now we're ready to go turn on the Traeger. So we're going to turn on the Traeger at 225 degrees. We're going to let them sit in there for an hour and 15, an hour and a half, and then apparently you take them off, you wrap them in foil and turn up the heat back to high, and then take them off the foil. I don't know why you wrap them in foil, but that's what they do it. So that's what we're gonna do. and it's our first time trying it, so I'll try whatever. Let's do it. So we are ready to set this on the temperature we're going to be cooking today. 225. Go ahead and get it up to temp, and we'll start putting the tri-tips in. So for the first step, we're gonna put these in and wait till they get they reached an internal temp of 150. Normally it's 130, 120. It just depends how you like your steaks. I like mine well done, so I'm gonna go up to 150, and then we'll go from there. So the Traeger is ready. So let's go ahead and put these bad boys in there. And we're gonna be back about an hour. So the tri-tips are at internal temp 140. This is step 2. So look how it looks so far. They look good. They look good. Now what we're going to do is close this, set the temperature on high all the way, 450 degrees. And this method is called the reverse sear. So what we're going to do what we're doing now is to get that nice crust on top. That's why we're doing this. So the grill is up to temp. So now I'm going to put these back. Sizzling sound. There it is. I'm going to wait 5 minutes per side. So been there for about 5 minutes. A little bit over 5 minutes. So now we're going to turn it around the other side. So the steaks are ready. Internal temperature of 165. Look how they look. Look at that juice. Do the normal, put it on shutdown mode, and it'll turn off by itself. Okay. So now the steaks are done. Let's see how they're inside. Oh yeah. See the little thing.
All I got was inside.
No, it was good. It was really good.
Mom, I have no chair. Oh.
So let's go in. Look at that. See the outside. So this is it for today's episode. Make sure you guys like the page, subscribe, like the videos. We'll see you next time.